Hey, welcome back to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome, welcome. Isn't it terrible now with all these viruses and colds? Well, here's something that will help you boost your immunity system. So, what do I have for you today? Lemon apple ginger shots and carrot apple ginger shots. Let me show you how to put all this together. So, here we go. Now, just to keep this on up and up, please take a few seconds and just read my little note here. Now, let's see how to put this together. We're going to be using the little shot glasses. And here's some ginger. What else do we have? Apple, carrots, lemon, and of course, orange juice. Only good things for your immunity system. And I would like to use these little shot glasses, but if you want, you can use a regular glass. So let me show you how to put this all together now. Grab yourself a medium-sized apple, basically any type of apple you want. And here I like to remove the peel or the skin. You know why? Because it makes sometimes the juice a little bit bitter, and I like it this way. So now let's cut it up into good workable pieces. And what I want you to do is also remove, please, the center part here. I just want the fleshy part of the apple. Use a good portion of ginger, and again, let's peel and get all the skin off. And once again, I want you to chop it into little pieces so we can mix it and grind it better. Now here comes the good stuff. Grab yourself a medium-sized lemon, and of course, please cut out all the peels because we don't want that in our mixture. And now, once again, I want you to remove all the seeds and cut it into good sized pieces that we can use. Use here about 2 medium carrots, and again, please remove the skin. And let's chop it up into usable pieces. You don't really have to chop it this small, but you know, I find that it grinds a lot better and it's a lot easier. Okay, everything's chopped up. Everything's ready to go. So now let me show you what to do with this next. And here's the first one, lemon apple ginger shots. And first, we are going to add the ginger. Oh, the ginger. And now, the lemon slices. And now we are adding the apple slices, and this will give it a nice sweet flavor to our mixture. Now, to tie it all together, we're going to add about 1.5 cups of orange juice. And this will make it really tasty and very nutritious. So let's turn on that blender and let's blend it. Okay, this part is done, and this is exactly what we want. And for the second one, carrot apple ginger shots. Okay, once again, let's add the ginger, and now we're adding the apple slices, and of course, with this recipe, we add the carrot slices. This is going to be really awesome. And once again, to wrap it up, 1.5 cups of orange juice. Put the lid on. Let's get that blender working, and this is exactly what we want. Get yourself a bowl, get yourself a small strainer, and let's start straining the juice out. With something made out of wood, try to get the last remaining juices. Now let's pour it into the shot glasses. Notice I have small and a little bit larger. The choice is up to you. So, I hope this helps your immunity system. Please use as you need it. And all I can say now is thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around. And I hope to see you again on my next cooking video. Goodbye now. lemon apple ginger shots, and carrot apple ginger shots.